Welcome to our channel, where we will be sharing some quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas to start your day on a nutritious note. Are you tired of having the same old breakfast every day? Well, worry no more. In this video, we have 5 amazing breakfast recipes that are not only quick and easy but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Our first recipe is a delicious avocado toast. To make this, simply toast a slice of whole grain bread and spread ripe avocado on top. For added flavor, sprinkle some salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Avocado toast is not only a great source of healthy fats but also provides a good amount of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Next up is a refreshing berry smoothie. Blend together a handful of mixed berries, a ripe banana, and a splash of almond milk. You can also add a tablespoon of honey if you prefer it sweeter. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins, helping to boost your immune system. Now, let's move on to our third recipe, overnight oats. In a jar, mix rolled oats, chia seeds, and your choice of milk. Add your favorite toppings such as sliced fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a ready-to-eat nutritious breakfast packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. For a protein-packed option, our fourth recipe is scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. Heat a little olive oil in a pan, add spinach and chopped tomatoes, and sauté until cooked. Then, add beaten eggs and scramble until fully cooked. This breakfast is not only high in protein but also a great way to incorporate vegetables into your morning routine. Last but not least, let's try our fifth recipe, a hearty vegetable omelette. Beat eggs in a bowl, add your favorite veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions, and cook it in a pan until golden brown. This omelette is a fantastic way to get a variety of nutrients from vegetables, while also enjoying a filling and satisfying breakfast. We hope you enjoyed these quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas. Make your mornings a breeze with these delicious recipes that will keep you fueled throughout the day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more nutritious and mouth-watering recipes. Thank you for watching.